If you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer that works overnight, I can't recommend CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion enough. This oil-free night cream is packed with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which means it helps keep your skin hydrated and calmed while you sleep. I wake up feeling like my skin's been refreshed, not greasy or heavy. What's amazing is that it uses NVE technology to deliver hydration all night long. So it's like your skin's getting a spa treatment while you rest. No need for a touch up while you wake up. It's also free of fragrance, parabens, and oils, so no irritation here. I have sensitive skin, and this formula is super gentle and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog my pores. With 3 essential ceramides, this lotion helps restore and maintain your natural skin barrier, which is key for healthy glowing skin. CeraVe really nailed it with this one, and it's developed with dermatologists, so you know it's got your skin covered. Ready to wake up with smoother, hydrated skin? Check the link in the comments to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up for more skincare tips.